Yeah, I feel like I was leaving too soon, to be honest. It didn't feel right. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you. You're probably wondering if I like to chill in the front yard. Obviously, a little bit, because here I am, right? And check out that gorgeous moon. That moon was lurking. It was full. It was right over the mountain. It was absolutely, it stopped me in my tracks. I photographed it. And now he's over here because before, actually, it's a female. It's grandmother moon, but I'm calling the moon he tonight because it has very sun-like fire energy. So that's pretty cool. Hey guys, oh, here we are. Here we are. Thank